Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में देवियों सज्जनों वक्त है फीमेल 57 यानी के महिलाओं के 57 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रही है रोमानिया मूल की कैथरीना ज़ायदेचीव्स्का।
बाहुबली साका से शिकंजा बेतलों से मरे मैदान
Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में देवी और सज्जनों एमपी योद्धास की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की पूजा।
The giant killer with her cape has entered the mat. She's no less than a superhero for Punjab Royals who won the league last year. She came up from nowhere and she won against the bronze, the silver and the gold medalist of Rio Olympics 2016, Helen Maroulis, Marva Amri and Odoneo respectively.
For somebody to actually show her mettle against Odoneo is simply outstanding, and she's been the underdog in the past couple of seasons of Pro Wrestling League, and then you could see that this experience actually trailed her, followed her, and then helped her in the international arena where she's had some real big upsets that she's had over the years.
And Pooja Dhanda just did not win against these super wrestlers. She also won one match through a pinfall
Oh yes,
against
of course.
Odoneo.
What an upset that was. What an upset that was.
So winning by a point is a different thing, but winning by a pin, that's a total different ball game.
As we can
Here
see
we
these
see.
spectators going out of control, chanting Pooja's name. As of now, Pooja is on the attack. As soon as she stepped on this mat, you could see that positivity in her and the way she is going on about. And right now, I can see that Katharina has a little disadvantage on her because
Look at it,
Home
roughing it
advantage.
out,
Oh,
roughing
yes.
it out,
Oh,
totally
yes.
on the mat.
this is the chance actually for MP Yodhas to go neck and neck and get it on a level playing field, and then that is what the excitement is. Then you'll have one more only bout and that will decide which team to win.
Between Elise and Sakshi, but right now whatever we see on the mat is going to go down in history, because whatever Pooja participates in becomes golden all over, just like her nail polish.
As of now, both the wrestlers trying to figure out the metal in the jacket, and as of now we can see the armors are all up, right? And we're neck and neck, but yes, Delhi is at a little advantage. No, what
Look
a
at
move!
Pooja turning around and turning the move around. Took it away totally from Katharina's grasp.
And that's not it. And she's trying to get her to do that roll, which gets in an advantage and more points.
Look at that. Half of it is already done through the leg and the torso. But 2 points for now for MP Yodha.
They can settle with that. That's okay, because that's just the beginning of the bout. And as of now, in this first round, we can see Pooja Dhanda with that spirit to get her team going and get onto an equalizer. And this could be a very big equalizer for the team.
As of now, the way the bout looks at, Katharina needs a lot of Pooja, Archana and Aarti to win this, because it gets very difficult against Pooja Dhanda to go ahead and give some competition. Don't you think so, Joe? Stop laughing, stop talking.
With so many adjectives, I think, yes, Katharina needs all of those. And she needs a puja at the end of the day for this very bout.
Yeah.
If there is no puja, there is no bout.
And there is no Dooja. That's the only respite Katarina is going to have. These 10 seconds can change the fate of this bout. This is round 1, women's 57 kg. And Pooja, the giant killer, against Katarina, who's trying to be the giant killer. And the coach telling her more things to do. But Pooja has one Herculean task of carrying the whole team as the captain on her shoulders.
Yes, of course, and she's done a brilliant job when it came to, even while you were interviewing her, you could see the confidence that she had in her. And this is over the years how the improvement has been, and she's focused to get her name going.
When it comes to MP Yodha, the first time team of Pro Wrestling League Season 4 and has the first time captain, Pooja Dhanda.
Yes, of course.
Let's
there
see
are
if this
other
is
experienced players as well, but then again, Pooja Dhanda being the captain, she's
Totally.
the icon player, by the way.
Yeah, has to be. All her moves are iconic. Well, here, that replay will show this move, which went in nobody's favor. And over here, Katarina trying to push out, but Pooja Dhanda was able to push out Katarina. This is this exciting moment where we'll get to know who's got 2 points and who's got 1 respectively, or all 3 points belong to one player. Over here, Katarina trying to dominate, but Pooja turned it around and pushed Katarina out. But then nothing counts because already people are out of bounds.
Yes, of course, but there has been a little bit of confusion, and our mascot has been thrown in terms of a protest that has been happened against the last 2 points that were actually given to Pooja Dhanda. So the Delhi Sultans are not going to take it down line.
For sure, because last season wasn't a very great season for them, but now they have a reason to go ahead and win this. Look at this replay. This is a great move which is countered by Pooja. Look at that turn. That turned around more than you can take a U-turn with. That car has a better ground clearance than any car I've seen in life.
Well, it's been all over the place as of now.
Over here, 2 points awarded to Pooja Dhanda for now.
And that's what the officials and the coaches with Delhi Sultans are not really happy about. So we need to see which way this car turns now.
Yeah.
Is it a U-turn?
Well, it could be a U-turn for MP Yodha if they win this bout. They'll be right on the edge, and then the next bout, they'll successfully take
Scores back to 2. But
So
still
2
with
points.
Pooja Dhanda at the advantage. So those scores have been rolled back.
And at this time, well, Pooja needs to face everything with a grit.
It was a blessing in disguise for Pooja because the way Katarina attacked, had she not been present there, in a nanosecond we could have had these points actually in Katarina's kitty.
It's amazing how we're talking about cars and there is nanosecond there. Well, there are so many metaphors, but on the mat there are only 2 wrestlers going at each other, Pooja and Katarina. 1.5 minutes to go, only 2 points separate Pooja from Katarina. Pooja being the giant killer, while Katarina wants to kill the giant killer. Look at the irony of this. This is Inception, bro.
Well, it's not all Elysium for these, as Elysium being a word for heaven. But
But it's
as
also
of now,
not Interstellar, another Nolan film.
at the advantage, Pooja Dhanda did attack. Did that convert into points that we got to see?
Well, women roughing it up. Very wrestler-like, if not lady-like.
Yes, of course. But yes, you could see a little grace in there. That power. Women have been, as of now, been thought to be one of those weaker links anymore. You can see it on the mat. Same weight, same height, a man would still be at a disadvantage in front of these ladies.
True that. The grit that they have, the promise that they show, and the experience when combined with raw power. turns it into gold. And gold, when we talk about it, it's all about Pooja Dhanda. Right now leading this bout by 2 points.
She's gone on the defense as of now because she does not see those points coming in, because right now the excitement is in her team because they are going to be equalizing this whole today's match.
And 10 seconds to go. It's all about saving grace.
Yes, of course. And
She
these are
wants
the
to save
tactics
those
that.
points.
And why not? Why not?
And that
It was-
turn! Katarina falls prey. Pooja trying to control those points, but Katarina wanted to be like, no, I will take them away. And Pooja showing who's the superior of them all.
Us sitting at a vantage point and watching them, and what we saw was that Pooja Dhanda was trying to be defensive, but we didn't realize that was just a plot in the play.
We are Netflixing our way to this bout.
And she just completely turned the plot around. That was an anticlimax. And that
Very
even
true.
right at the end of it,
Very
with that
true.
advantage.
मत ले पंगा।